Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an anti-aging remedy that would revise your age, like that would actually make you look super duper young. Okay guys, so there are some factors that actually causes you to age quickly. One is stress, two is not drinking water, which is dehydration, and three is just sleepless nights, 4 cigarettes, and 5 bad dieting, like you're not eating well, and the other one might be over stressing and suffering and all of that, and the last one is genetic. Okay, so apart from it being genetic, all these other ones, this remedy that I'm going to be showing you is going to help you to get rid of them. But of course you have to at least rest, sleep, and be consistent in this remedy that I'm going to be showing you, because it's super natural. Okay, and anything natural, you need a little time. Yeah. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. So guys, to have that even and a young skin, a super young skin, okay, get firmer and a tighter skin, you're gonna be needing a banana. Now with the ingredient that contains in banana, it helps so much to tighten up the skin, therefore leaving you looking young even if you are aged. Yeah, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to be cutting that into pieces so that it can be faster for us to blend. And after that, we're going to transfer it into a bowl. Okay guys, so after blending it very smooth, you have to blend it very smooth. You can use your large banana if you feel that one is not going to be enough. And blending one banana usually don't blend really well. Yeah. So this is it. And the next ingredient, which is actually very important, is milk. Is actually very important for this ingredient because it contains the lactic acid, which is actually going to make you look super duper young. Yeah, so you have to use your goat milk or a raw milk, which is actually going to be very important for this. About 3 tablespoons of milk is perfect, and after that we'll mix it very well. Now this is great guys. If you're actually looking 40 and you think that you're not even up to that age, try this home remedy. You're going to be loving it. Yeah. Okay, so after you put that, you mix it all up, and then the next ingredient, which is very important also, is yogurt. Now yogurt contains the lactic acid, and it also contains vitamin E. Now that is actually very needed for the skin because it helps to increase the elasticity of the skin and make the skin super duper glowing and super young. So we're equally going to be taking in about 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and you have to use an unsweetened yogurt, okay, for this ingredient. Yeah, that is actually the yogurt that you are gonna be needing. Okay guys, so we mix it up equally, and then also we're gonna be making use of lemon. Now lemon contains vitamin E and a citric acids, Now this citric acid helps to make lemon super duper effective for the skin, and it also make lemon super duper glowing, and it also makes this ingredient work in a way that is going to help to tighten up your skin and shrink it up, and it's equally going to give you that fairer complexion. So we're going to be putting in just a little drop of the lemon, not too much. Okay, just a little drop of it is perfect. Now this little drop is actually going to make your skin glow like magic. Okay guys, so the last ingredient is egg. Okay, now egg is a great skin tightener, is a great skin firmer. It helps to reduce your large and open pores, and it also makes your skin super young. So what we're going to be needing here is the egg whites, and I'm going to be breaking in and pouring in just the whites. And voila, this is a great mix. Now after doing this guys, you know that you have a super duper anti-aging, skin glowing and skin younger remedy. So you have to mix it and mix it really good. Okay, now that will actually enable all of the ingredients to mix really well together. Now for this ingredients, you can actually decide to use it 2 to 3 times in a week. That in that way you are going to be achieving your results. Know that all of those natural ingredients are something that you would have to equally repeat it and repeat it as often as you can. In that way it's going to help to make your skin glowing. Okay guys, so let's go try it out. Yeah guys, so for you to look young and beautiful and remove all of those age problems, just go refrigerate this and then you apply it onto your face. Yeah, so just like what I have here. So you spread this evenly and generously onto your skin and onto your face. Okay guys, so for you to have that glow, you would have to be consistent in applying this, and also give it a little time. Yeah, you need a little time to work. So after you do that, then you have to give it a little scrub, a little massage. Okay, so after doing this, you would notice that this is actually really soft. Now you might choose to apply it again so that you can actually wait for a little while, for at most, I'm sorry guys, I'll have to be looking at at this side so I can actually be seeing my face while I apply this. Okay, so you would have to apply it again so that you can actually wait for just a little while to be for this ingredient to actually just get into your skin, and boof, it's good. So give it say 2 to 3 minutes, and then you would be going to wash it off. And remember to wash it off with a lukewarm water, and use a toilet soap, use a mild soap. Man, seriously guys, if you use a mild soap in applying all of these natural remedies on your face, it's going to make it work really well, and it's going to make it the effect is going to be very, very visible. Yeah, so go try this out, and let me wash mine out. I'll be waiting for a little while because I love to apply, like seriously I love it because it actually keeps my skin healthy and really smooth. Okay guys, so it is as simple as that and as beautiful as that. Yeah, so just use it the way I've told you. It is quite simple, and you have to inculcate the habit of being consistent, because of course you have to apply it and apply it again, not just applying it one and you want the miracle, like the magic to just happen move. But of course it's gonna be so beautiful on you. Okay, so that is it. I hope you do enjoy watching this video. If you do, smash the like button, subscribe, thumbs up and share, and I'll see you again. Chala.